One day, he was playing with his best friend near a river. Suddenly the boy slipped, and he couldn't swim. The dog barked loudly because he couldn't help him, so he ran to people nearby for help, but no one listened. He grabbed a man's wallet and ran as fast as he could. The man chased the dog. He led him straight to the river. Everyone thought this dog was a thief. When he saw he jumped in, he grabbed the boy and pulled him out safely. The boy was saved, and the dog was not a thief, he was a hero.